this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making Raita. I will show you how to make 3 different types of Raita. One is cucumber, the second is potato onion, and the third is bundi. Bundi is basically little balls made out of chickpea flour and they can be found at any Indian store. Raita is a perfect side for any meal. So without further ado, let's get cooking. We'll start by making the plain raita. To make this, we will need 1.5 cups of plain yogurt or dahi, 3/4 cup of water, some red chili powder as per your taste, salt as per your taste, a pinch of pink salt, cumin seed powder as per your taste, and dried mint powder as per your taste. We will start by taking a medium to large bowl and adding in the yogurt, and the water. You will whisk these well together. If you want your raita to be more thin, you can add in some more water or you can leave it as it is. Then you will add in the remaining ingredients. So add in the red chili powder, some pink salt, some salt, some dried mint powder, and some cumin seed powder. You'll whisk all of these together. And then you can give the raita a taste to see if you need to add in any salt or red chili powder. And then you will divide the raita into 3 equal parts. We will start by making the cucumber raita. For this, you will just need 1/3 of the raita mixture that we previously made and half of a medium cucumber that has been grated. You will add the grated cucumber into the raita. Whisk in the cucumber. Next, we will make bundi raita. To make this, you will need another 1/3 of the raita mixture and 1/4 cup of bundi. You can find this easily at any Indian store near you. You will add the bundi into the raita. And then, if you would like, you can add in sugar. This is optional, but it just enhances the flavor of bundi raita. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of sugar. And you will mix these together. And you will let this sit for around 10 minutes because we need the bundi to soften. Lastly, we will make the potato onion raita. For this, you will need the last 1/3 of the raita mixture, half of a boiled potato that is finely chopped, and half of a small onion that is finely chopped. You will add these two to the raita mixture. And you will give this a mix. Once all 3 of your raitas are ready, you can pour them into serving bowls and garnish them with chopped cilantro. Enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.